3 and 3/5 divided by 1 and 2/7. So I have two mixed numbers, and in order to divide those, I do need to change them first to improper fractions. And I'm going to use the get mad strategy and multiply, then add, multiply, then add, keeping my denominators the same. When I do that, I have 5 times 3 is 15, plus 3 is going to be 18 over 5. And then I have 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 9, so I have 9/7. I'm going to keep, change, and flip. When I do that, I notice that 18 and 9 both have a common factor. I can divide out 9 from both of these. This one's going to become a 1. 18 divided by 9 is 2. Now when I multiply across, I have 7 times 2, which is 14. I have 5 times 1, which is 5. That is improper, so I'll use my division house to turn that back into a mixed number. 5 goes into 14 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, I have a 4. We don't do remainders and we're not doing decimals, so I'm going to bring that 4 to the top of the fraction. My denominator will be 5. My answer is 2 and 4/5.